Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making oven-baked pork chops. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 6 bone-in pork chops, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, and thyme. Now add your garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Add the brown sugar and mix until well combined. Make sure your pork chops have been cleaned and dried. Now generously brush your pork chops with the olive oil. Now season both sides with your seasoning mixture. If you would like a printable version of this recipe along with other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now place your pork chops on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Transfer to the oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip your pork chops, then return them to the oven and continue cooking for an additional 15 minutes or until your pork chops have an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to